Thank you for joining me for our daily movement session. Today, let's begin with a simple toe tap. If you have a step, a chair, ottoman, your stairs, something nearby that you can tap your toe up onto. You could also just use the air. Just swing your arms intentionally, get that leg up, tap the toe. And also, when you're out today, maybe you see an object. Hey, there's an opportunity to move a little bit more, to create more mobility, strength, and balance. Be creative, use your imagination. Maybe just pick up the pace just a tiny bit. Let's really warm up our bodies. Gentle movement session, 10 minutes or so. Stick with me. Let's see if we can't really build some inner energy that's going to last us through the day. All right. Now, let's just step to the side with a gentle twist. We're going to build and continue to create balance today. As you step and sweep your arm across your body and twist into it, I want to tell you, I heard a lyric in a song that really resonated with me. It was falling sometimes, sometimes flying. And it really made us think of us here, especially with balance. Some days balance is amazing. Other days, it's just rubbish. Let's celebrate the mystery and take this attitude today that sometimes things aren't going to go our way. Sometimes things are challenging and difficult. Some days just feel off. That's just the reality. Can we accept the reality and understand we're falling sometimes and sometimes we're flying? All right. Let's really heat things up a bit. Just a gentle shuffle from side to side. Come up onto the balls of your feet. I want us to wake up our hips. Up on the balls of your feet, you're going to need to engage the core. It's going to help us create and make our balancing exercises more effective. Just move steadily. Stay up. Shake things out a little bit. Get loose in the body. Oh yeah, start to feel it. Let's continue to move with gratitude. Hey, you just gotta say it and it works. I think this idea of falling sometimes, sometimes flying, it's like happiness. Somehow we're led to believe that we're just supposed to be happy all the time. Well, I don't think that's reality. In order to be happy, we need to go through times of unhappiness, times of struggle, where things are challenging and difficult to get to the happiness. All the greatest things, the things that are really worthwhile, that actually make us happy, we've had to fight for. We've had to work for. We've had challenges that we've overcome. Not this just perpetual state of happiness, although with the right mindset, with movement, the blips can be not so high and low. We need to work hard, challenge ourselves, and realize that sometimes we're up, sometimes we're down, we're falling sometimes, and sometimes we are flying. Now, let's bring a nice march into it. Head up, breathe into it, move around your space. Notice your surroundings. Don't fall into the step and into the sea, although that would make great television. Just move around, backwards, forwards, get that leg up as high as you can. We really want to open up, wake up the hips here for our next balancing movement. This movement right here, walking, it's a balancing exercise. Walk really slowly. You'll find out how it really is a balancing exercise. Backwards we move. Oh, okay. If you have a chair or countertop nearby and you need a little assistance, by all means. We're just going to do a simple side leg raise. Simple, not necessarily easy. Maybe you pick a spot directly behind me on the horizon and just lift that leg as high as you can. If If you stumble and fall, falling sometimes, sometimes flying. It's an REM song. It sounds much better. Or Michael Stipe, when you have a beautiful musician with a beautiful voice singing it rather than me saying it. Let's go to the other side. Nice and easy. You got this. And certainly one leg will be stronger than the other. Embrace the mystery. Okay. Ooh, nicely done. Let's twist again, but come up off your leg. Raise your foot off the ground and twist. And actually, rather than picking up the pace, let's slow it down. Bring the leg up and twist. Get that leg up, twist into it. Nice and calm, just like the sea today. Twist a little deeper. Creating great mobility in the upper back, the spine, as well as this beautiful balance that we're continuing to create. Oh, last one here. Brilliant. When we're doing some balancing exercises, if we didn't do a tree posture, I would feel like we're missing out. I do love the tree, but let's moving tree. Step from side to side. Bring your leg up, arms up overhead. Let's just move back and forth to begin. And maybe just a little toe tap. So you're keeping your toe on the ground. Wonderful. Side to side, you got this. Maybe you bring the arms up a little further overhead. Feel it in the shoulders. And if you'd like, let's hold our tree for just a couple seconds on each side. Head up high. One more to each side. Let's hold it a little longer. Get steady. Get yourself steady. Hold it. Other side. Steady. You got it. Well done. If we're falling sometimes and sometimes flying, obviously we need to practice our airplane. Step back, bring your arms up, and again, maybe you just want to toe tap. Maybe that's where you're at. And then gradually you can just hover your toe up off the ground. Pick a spot directly in front of you, give it visual attention, and just start to fly and do what works best for you. Just find a flow, real focused, concentrated movements. Just do your best. And if you stumble and fall, falling sometimes, sometimes flying. One more to each side. Your very best, most concentrated movement of the whole day. Hold it. Other side. Land your plane softly. Open your chest up, bring your knee up. Other side, breathe in deeply and let it all go. Breathe in deeply and let it all go. Just take in everything we've done. Again, pick a spot on the horizon. Give it all your attention. Breathe deeply. And on the exhale, just feel it all melt away. Open up a little bit more. Hold it there. One more to each side. Now, your most focused, present moment movement of the day. Let's finish our session off today. I'm going to take tree posture, and I'm going to do it just on one leg, on my non-dominant, not bad leg, to practice what's challenging. I'm going to come into prayer. Join me if you like. You can keep your foot there. Let's just take a moment in silence to be and take on this sort of mantra that falling sometimes flying, ups and downs, accept the reality and move from there. Thank you so much for being with me today. Go have an absolutely glorious day. Continue to stay active and enjoy everything that happens to you, and don't let anything outside of you affect what's going on the inside. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.